Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you on why your Instagram stories are not popping up. So if you head over to Instagram, as you can see, and all my stories are right here, so I can click on them. But if yours aren't popping up, there might be a reason. So these reasons might be that your time is off on your phone. So if you go to settings, you search date and time, it'll pop up right here. It'll then bring you to this page. So if it's not set automatically, you might be just missing the date and the time for those certain stories and you won't be able to see them. Another thing you can do is hop out of here, or actually just go back to your settings. And then you want to scroll down to general, click on iPhone storage, wait for it to load. Once it is loaded, you can either scroll down or you can click the search in the top right. You then want to search Instagram. Once you've done this, you need to offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but it'll keep its documents and data. And then you want to reinstall it once it's done offloading. And then so all your data will still be there. And once you've done this, you just want to hop out, clear Instagram from your page, hop back on and see if your stories are working now. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.